Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I are counting down our top picks for the best outdoor dining table. Finding the right one can be tricky with so many options out there, but I have done the heavy research for you. Let's dive right in. Product number 1. Flash Furniture Tory 31.5 inches by 55 inches rectangular. Our journey begins with a highly praised unit that sets a massive benchmark for the rest. I am talking about the Flash Furniture Tory 31.5 inches by 55 inches rectangular. What captivated my attention was the exceptionally high-grade materials. It effortlessly radiates durability for your fast-paced lifestyle. Its core engine is highly optimized to provide maximum efficiency, allowing you to achieve professional-grade outcomes. Its layout is wonderfully straightforward, successfully eliminating any confusing learning curves entirely. The built-in stability offers immense peace of mind, freeing you from the burden of frequent technical resets. The price-to-performance ratio here is mind-blowing. Go ahead and visit the link below to check out the latest live promotions. Backed by over 1,329 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of rating not found, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Grabbing this option is a foolproof strategy for an instant upgrade, so do not let it slip past you. Product number 2. SERWALL Outdoor HDPE Dining Table Set. Sliding into the next spot is a wonderfully crafted device that you are going to love. I am talking about the SERWALL Outdoor HDPE Dining Table Set. The physical construction is nothing short of spectacular, perfectly combining aesthetic elegance with industrial strength sturdiness. Diving into functionality, you will be blown away by how consistently it delivers top-notch results without skipping a beat. The deeply ergonomic structure actively prevents any physical fatigue, making extremely long usage sessions surprisingly comfortable. You can confidently trust this device to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. To find out if there is an active discount or special coupon available right now, make sure to check the direct link down below. Backed by over 830 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of rating not found, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It effortlessly proves exactly why it is celebrated as a genuine top-tier contender by countless users. Product number 3. SERWALL 7-Piece Patio Dining Table Sets. Moving on to our list, I have another incredible option that you should seriously consider. I am talking about the SERWALL 7-Piece Patio Dining Table Sets. The physical construction is nothing short of spectacular, perfectly combining aesthetic elegance with industrial strength sturdiness. Evaluating its day-to-day usability, it acts as a massive productivity booster thanks to its highly intuitive internal mechanics. You will instantly appreciate the highly responsive and user-friendly control scheme that puts you completely in charge. It operates with remarkable stability, easily making it one of the most dependable and stress-free options available. It frequently goes on massive seasonal sales, so I highly recommend tapping the link below to verify the current price. Backed by over 830 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of rating not found, proving its tremendous mass appeal. Making the choice to add this to your collection is a decision you will definitely thank yourself for. Product number 4. SERWALL 7-Piece Patio Outdoor Table and Chairs. Let us pivot to another remarkable contender that is dominating the conversation right now. I am talking about the SERWALL 7-Piece Patio Outdoor Table and Chairs. You will instantly notice the stunning attention to detail. It feels incredibly solid, giving off a highly premium vibe. It operates with a level of smoothness that genuinely elevates the user experience to entirely new heights. The manufacturer clearly prioritized maximum user comfort and accessibility, placing controls in the most natural locations. You can confidently trust this device to perform beautifully day in and day out without requiring constant monitoring. You do not have to break the bank to get your hands on this. Check out the link below to see today's lowest price. Backed by over 830 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of rating not found, proving its tremendous mass appeal. It phenomenally bridges the gap between premium quality and sensible everyday practicality. Product number 5. Devoko Outdoor Patio Dining Sets 9 pieces. Progressing further down our list, I find an absolute powerhouse of a device. I am talking about the Devoko Outdoor Patio Dining Sets 9 pieces. Designed with meticulous precision, it feels incredibly solid and enduring right from the very first touch. It effortlessly glides through demanding workloads with remarkable speed, leaving almost all competitors completely in the dust. Beyond the basics, the highly intuitive design makes operating it a complete breeze for both beginners and experts alike. It rarely requires any tedious troubleshooting, running flawlessly straight out of the gate and staying that way. Instead of guessing the cost, you can instantly see today's best deal by clicking the direct link provided down below. Backed by over 708 verified reviews, it proudly holds an impressive rating of rating not found, proving its tremendous mass appeal. I highly suggest keeping this on your radar for a completely hassle-free upgrade. That wraps up our comprehensive list for today. I hope this guide helped you find the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for updated pricing, and I will see you in the very next video.